Before buying ClickTime, there are 12 things you should know, especially if you're comparing it to other productivity and time management tools. Whether you're managing projects, tracking time, or trying to improve your team's efficiency, it's important to understand how ClickTime stacks up. The first thing you'll notice with ClickTime is its strong focus on time tracking and employee scheduling. This feature is simple to use, but a bit limited compared to some competitors like Harvest or Toggle. ClickTime can track time across different projects, but it lacks some of the more customizable features that come with other tools, like Toggle's extensive integrations. Next thing is ClickTime's reporting capabilities. It offers solid reports on time and budget tracking, which is great if you're managing client projects. However, compared to something like Clockify, the reporting feels a bit basic. Clockify's reports offer more detail and customization, especially for larger teams. If you need granular insights into how time is spent, you might want to look elsewhere. The third thing is its budgeting tools. ClickTime does a great job allowing you to track project budgets and make sure your team is staying within limits, but its budgeting system might not be as advanced as a tool like Harvest. Harvest integrates deeper with accounting tools and provides more detailed financial insights, which could be crucial for larger businesses. Moving on to integrations, ClickTime supports key integrations, such as with QuickBooks and Xero. However, when compared to other software, it doesn't have as wide a range of third-party integrations. Competitors like Toggle or Clockify offer more variety, connecting with more tools and apps, which can be a deal breaker if you need a truly connected workflow. Now, the fifth thing is ClickTime's mobile app. It's functional, but not as sleek or powerful as some of its competitors. If you're often on the go and need a mobile-first solution, tools like Toggle or TimeCamp might serve you better. These apps offer more user-friendly interfaces and a smoother experience for time tracking on the move. The sixth thing to keep in mind is ClickTime's pricing model. While it's fairly affordable, especially for small teams, its pricing doesn't scale well for larger teams or enterprise solutions. Unlike some competitors that offer more flexible pricing tiers, ClickTime's cost can rise quickly as you add more users, which makes other options more appealing if you're growing fast. Next thing is the user interface. ClickTime's interface is easy to use, but it's not as modern or visually appealing as tools like Toggle or Clockify. If you care about a sleek, user-friendly design, you may find other options more intuitive, but ClickTime does offer an easy entry point for beginners. The eighth thing to consider is ClickTime's customer support. ClickTime provides support through email, but you won't find a live chat option, which can slow down responses. If you value immediate support, you might be frustrated here, as tools like Harvest offer more comprehensive support options, including live chat. Then there's time off management. ClickTime allows for vacation and sick day tracking, which is useful, but it doesn't offer the advanced features of other platforms. For example, tools like Bamboo HR specialize in HR features, offering more detailed leave management. If you're looking for more HR-focused features, ClickTime might not cover everything you need. The 10th thing is how it handles team management. ClickTime offers a simple way to manage teams and assign projects, but it lacks more complex team collaboration features you'd find in apps like Trello or Asana. If you need a tool with project management capabilities built into time tracking, you might want to look into those alternatives. The 11th thing to know is about ClickTime security. The software follows standard security protocols with data encryption, but it's not known for the higher-level security features that some other enterprise tools offer. If you're dealing with sensitive information and require top-tier security, you may want to consider a solution with more robust protections. Finally, ClickTime's overall ease of use. The interface is simple, but not as polished as other tools. What's a great option for those just starting with time tracking, experienced users may feel limited by the basic features. It's not a bad tool, but some competitors may offer more advanced options with a bit of a learning curve. In conclusion, ClickTime is a good option if you're looking for a straightforward and simple time tracking tool. However, if you need something more powerful and flexible, we recommend you check out our suggested solution that you can try for free. It could be exactly what you're looking for to take your productivity to the next level.